So if you want to use the camera of Honor 8C, Honor 8A and all other Honor mobile phones like a professional, then this video is for you. Because I'm going to show you the camera settings, important camera features and options that will help you get better photos and videos with your camera. So before starting the video guys, I request you to hit the like and subscribe button if you are new on my channel. So guys, first of all, I will go to the AI option on the top, and after clicking on it, here you can see one eye option. So if I click on it, here you can see it's saying that before when the AI was not on, the photo was like that, and then it is saying that after the photo was like that when the AI was on. So I recommend you that you should always keep the AI option on. Then we'll go to the aperture option, and right now on the screen you can see one photo. So this photo is taken through aperture. So whenever you are taking the photos of motorbikes, cars or some objects, you should use this option. And if you want to make the blurriness lower, you should take it up, and if you want to make the blurriness high, you should take it down to 0.95. So guys, after that we'll go to the portrait mode, and here you can see one option of bokeh. So I recommend you that you should always keep this option on. Then you can see the beauty level, you can increase it and you can also decrease it. So after that guys, if we go to the video option, here you can see one smiley option. If we click on it, it is saying that the beauty mode is enabled, so you can use it like that. Then we'll go to the settings, and here you can see first option, video size. So if we click on it, here you can see it is saying that it has selected compatibility, and it is using HD video. So the setting is very well. You can also take it to efficiency, but compatibility is the best setting. And guys, after the video option, we'll go to the more option, and here we'll click on HDR. So if you click on HDR and you are taking a picture of some sceneries or something else, so if the place is dark, it will give some light to the place, and if the place has too much brightness, it will take down the brightness and make it a perfect picture. So I recommend you that you should always keep that option on, but whenever there are some moving objects, you should keep that option off. And after that guys, if we again go to the more option, here you can see the panorama option. So if I click on it and I click on the camera option, so after that you have to move very steadily and very slowly. And if you want to take a wide picture, you can take through this option. So here you can see it is a very wide picture. So after that guys, we'll go again on more, and here you can see AR lens option. So after clicking on AR lens, here you can see it will detect the faces of a person, and it is just for fun, you can check it out. And after that, if we go back guys, and here you can see the settings option, and after clicking on settings, we click on Assistive Grid's third option. Here you can see the second option of grid. So after clicking on it, here you can see this different kind of lines. So many professional photographers use this object. It is a measurement tool. For example, if you want to take the picture of a person in center, or you want to take the picture of something on the sides, so you can take the picture according through this tool. So it is a very useful tool. So after that guys, we go to the settings again, and after that on the last option you can see restore defaults. So if we click on it, all our camera settings will be reset. So I hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe button on my channel. Thanks for watching.